Here we are in Kokangnam. Other side of the Kokangnam. So ayan, mag-set up tayo ng ating mahiwagang upuan at ng ating mahiwagang table.
Face.
Ayun.
Akin na yun po.
This is my favorite part.
It's a beautiful morning, everyone. So, ayan. Ito ang aming magiging place for this time. Yeah, I didn't bring my jacket. It's very cold. The weather is windy and the wind has a cool breeze. So, ayan. Mag-aano tayo today.
It's Big Chloe's birthday.
Yeah. At may kaming hay dito. Ito yung place ng coffee and music before. Ayan. Nag-iimis na sila. Kaya dito kami magse-set up at dito kami magbe-breakfast. So, don't just, Fab Sisters TV. Aba, ang ganda naman na inyong upo. Eh, ba't di kayo natulong kay Daddy?
Wait. Wait.
We're gonna have another one-day holiday. And with a picnic. Yeah.
Yes.
Picnic again.
Yes. So, here we are in Kokangnam. Other side of the Kokangnam. So, ayan, mag-set up tayo ng ating mahiwagang upuan at ng ating mahiwagang table.
Face.
Ayun.
Akin na yun po.
This is my favorite part.
It's a beautiful morning, everyone. So, ayan. Ito ang aming magiging place for this time. Yeah, I didn't bring my jacket. It's very cold. The weather is windy and the wind has a cool breeze. So, ayan. Mag-aano tayo today.
It's Big Chloe's birthday.
Yeah. At may kaming hay dito. Ito yung place ng coffee and music before. Ayan. Nag-iimis na sila. Kaya dito kami magse-set up at dito kami magbe-breakfast. So, don't just, Fab Sisters TV. Aba, ang ganda naman na inyong upo. Eh, ba't di kayo natulong kay Daddy?
Wait.
Hello! Ayan, ang ganda ng place, everyone. Kaya masarap din yung hangin. Masarap, and this is the lake. Ngayon, wala naman kaming masyadong gagawin.
We said we're gonna bring our fish food.
Oh yeah, we forgot to bring fish food. We forgot to buy some fish food. Magpapakain sana kami ng mga fish dito. Mga pinakawala namin ng Loy Katong. Ay, naandito. Ito may pathway, so you can go biking. Sayang no, hindi tayo nakapagdala ng bicycle.
Ay, delikado yan, mami.
This cycling place, bakit? Hello! Malamig. Doon tayo under the sun, mag-vitamin D. But Daddy said it's dangerous daw. O ayan, dito muna tayo under the sun habang si Daddy ay nagse-set up ng ating table. Yun, gawa ng ating table. Ayan, katabi lang namin si Migo this time. Mas maganda dito, no? Tama-tama si Migo this time kasi pwede na kaming maglagay ng madaming stuffs. Now, we got our mat. Faye, lie down our mat. Hey, over there. If you wanna lie down and chill.
You want to eat?
Yes. Oh, careful anak. You should not hold it there. Yan. Mahiwagang upuan. So, magbe-breakfast muna kami and then itong dalawa mamaya maglalaro daw dun sa playground. May playground din dito malapit. Wow! Look at this! We got a mat. The other side, my dear. Yan. Dun.
Here, that.
Check, walang guyam. Walang kuton. Walang ants. Bomi.
Guyam and ants are just the same.
Yeah. Oh, see? Diba? Buti na lang may dala kayong jacket. Ang lamig.
So small.
So small.
Prepare
Hula hoop.
Wait, I forgot my pen.
Oh, si Skippy mo ate. Where's Skippy?
Sample.
Oh, sample.
Sample, hula hoop.
Go, Faye.
Come back.
Sige.
But the one I need to practice is walk and do this.
Mhm. Wow, galing. Ang galing talaga tong hula hoop.
And our...
Breakfast is coming. Yan, i-practice mo yung walking this time, anak. Oh, Skippy is here. Ayan. What's for breakfast today, Daddy?
As usual, coffee.
Kape, hindi mawawala.
I can.
Mag-unpack tayo ng ating breakfast. Siyempre, cups,
For coffee.
kape,
And salapaw.
salapaw. Ito yung kanilang salapaw dito. Fried salapaw.
Buchi.
Masarap.
Oh, so that's Bucci?
Buchi without nothing
Buchi
inside.
without, yes, nothing inside. Masarap yan.
Yeah, why you didn't buy the one with milk in there?
And
Don't step on me.
we have
And we have, wow, look at this.
kamote.
Kamoteng.
There's like a kind of that has like condensed milk in there.
You don't need the condensed milk, anak. It's
There's a kind like that.
And dahon.
kauniao.
And
Manok!
manok na bata.
Ito ang aming,
Every time you drop me,
yan, tito.
that's how you do it.
Dessert,
Wow.
have watermelon.
Yeah.
And of course, rice.
Rice.
Mainit na rice.
Huwag mo munang buksan.
Huwag
mainit
ka
eh.
munang buksan.
At ito yung masarap. Ano to? Tingnan nyo ito. Binalot sa dahon ng, ano gatong dahong ito?
Another one, favorite.
Mangga.
Mangga.
Paborito. Ayan, ang aming breakfast. So, mag-a-unpack muna kami.
Let's eat first before anything else.
Yeah.
O ba? So cool mo naman.
I bought my glasses in case.
I forgot to bring jacket, Daddy. Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Okay.
My feet.
Okay. Ano mo naman? So
Eating time.
cool.
Ate, I forgot to close the...
Let's open the kaw niao and Ate will show you how to eat kaw niao in Thailand.
Use your hand.
Oh, ayan.
Alright. Where'd it go?
Bye.
Nawala. Put it down on the plate.
Fine.
Yan.
Why the leaf? What the leaves did they?
Habang mas mainit siya, mas masarap.
Get it.
Ayan. O, ate, beep, beep, beep.
No one needs a rubber.
Beat, beat.
Oh. Beat.
Ganun-ganun mo, di ba? Ang kaw niyaw. O, dali. Ayan, ganyan. Ibibit-bit mo ganito.
Beep, beep.
Give me
Beep, beep. And
Give me chicken.
chicken.
Give me.
And bit-bit uli.
Beat the chicken with. Annie.
And wow, ano ay di puno ang mukha mo.
Go.
Ayan si Daddy. Kanya ay kamyote. And for Feifei, what is this? Wow, it's still crunchy, May.
No. Aloy.
Aloy.
And this is more crunchy.
Later yan. si Mangga. Ala?
I have something in my tummy.
Chingla? Malamig yan sa tiyan kasi, anak.
Mainit na.
Mainit ba?
Mangga.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Yan, may breakfast.
Ito ang masarap.
Can I eat the whole entire thing? Not that.
Kamoteng dilaw. Ito yung pinaka matamis.
No wonder it's called sweet potatoes.
Yes. Masarap, no?
Yummy. With?
With, ay ano ba yan? Sasawsawan mo niyan? Wow.
Alay, no?
Sa kaunyaw.
Just kidding. No, that's for
Chicken.
grilled.
Yeah, we have grilled chicken here. Ito yung very popular dito sa Thailand na wala na lang sa stick. Ayan. Atay. Grilled atay. And then, saw.
What did you bring in there?
Yan.
What did you bring there?
Saan po?
The ice thing.
Some,
This
ano.
is my breakfast.
Oh. Get your kaunyaw con.
You remember today's Pico's birthday, right?
Yes.
Pikawi, happy birthday.
Let's go shopping later.
Shout out kay Ate Chloe. Happy birthday! Don't worry, sabi ko nga sa'yo, ini-announce ko ng holiday today. Para sa birthday mo. Okay, enjoy our breakfast! Ayan, after breakfast, ayan, si Baggy. Nakahiga na. Nagba-vitamin D naman this time. Aba naman. Tapos yung dalawa ando na sa playground. Tara, kape! So, magkakape na kami.